Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data type. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover numeric data type. We can store signed integer using PLS integer, binary integer, small int, integer, and int data types. Floating point type with maximum precision of 18 decimal digits using real data type. Fixed point type with maximum precision of 38 decimal digits using decimal and dec data types. Floating point type with maximum precision of 38 decimal digits using number, numeric, float, double precision data types. Single precision floating point number using binary float data type. And double precision floating point number using binary double data type. In the next program, I am going to cover Boolean data type. We can store Boolean with values as true, false or null using Boolean data type. We will not be able to display the Boolean values using DBMS output line. Hence, I have created function to convert Boolean values into string values. In the next program, I am going to cover character or string data type. We can store fixed length character string using char data type. Variable length character string using varchar or varchar2 data type. Fixed length national character string using nchar data type. Variable length national character string using nvarchar2 data type. Variable length character string using long data type. In the next program, I am going to cover date data type. We can store date using date data type. Timestamp using timestamp data type. Timestamp with time zone using timestamp with time zone data type. Timestamp with local time zone using timestamp with local time zone data type. Year to month interval using interval year to month data type. Date to second interval using interval date to second data type. In the next program, I am going to cover large object or LOB data type. Mainly used LOB data types are binary file object using bfile, character large object using clob, character large object with national character set using nclob, binary large object using blob data type. We can store large binary file object into bfile data type using bfile name function. We can open the bfile using open subprogram within DBMS lob package. We can check whether file is open using file is open subprogram. Check whether file exists using file exists subprogram. We can create temporary clob or blob using create temporary subprogram. Get length of large object using get length subprogram. We can load file content into clob or blob using load from file subprogram. Close bfile using close subprogram. We can display content of large object using substr subprogram. In the next program, I am going to cover user-defined subtypes. We can create subtype or alias for base type using subtype. Subtype name is base type statement. And we can use that subtype while declaring variables. We can create subtype without constraint or subtype with constraint. Also, we can specify range while subtype declaration for PLS integer data type. In the next program, I am going to cover PLS integer subtypes. Subtype of PLS integer with not null constraint is simple integer. PLS integer with non-negative value is natural. PLS integer with non-negative value and not null constraint is natural n. Positive PLS integer is positive. Positive PLS integer with not null constraint is positive n. PLS integer with value as -1, 0, and +1 is sign type. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.